Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil a medium soft egg using an easy method. First, select fresh eggs and a pot that can comfortably hold them in a single layer. Then, fill the pot with cold water, ensuring the eggs are covered by about 1 inch. Adding a half teaspoon of salt to the water can help prevent the shells from cracking during the cooking process. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect result. Now place your pot on the stove and bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as the water reaches a vigorous boil, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This prevents the eggs from bouncing around too much. For that ideal medium soft yolk, cook the eggs for precisely 6 to 7 minutes. Timing is crucial here, so keep a close eye on the clock for the best texture. Once the cooking time is up, it's critical to stop the process quickly. Immediately transfer your eggs into an ice bath for about 2 minutes. This rapid cooling not only halts further cooking, ensuring your yolk stays perfectly medium soft, but it also helps the shells separate more easily. After cooling, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to create small cracks all over the shell. For the smoothest peeling experience, try peeling your eggs under cool running water. The water helps to wash away small shell fragments and keeps the membrane from sticking. Once peeled, your perfectly cooked medium-soft egg is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground pepper, or perhaps on a piece of warm toast. It's a simple pleasure, and now you know how to master it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.